Welcome to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the Tpone Wearable Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker, a unique and versatile portable speaker. The Tpone Bluetooth speaker offers a pocket-sized design that's incredibly lightweight. You won't have to deal with bulky speakers or heavy headsets anymore. It's perfect for those on the go who want to enjoy music without the hassle of carrying around heavy equipment. This speaker comes with a convenient clip-on feature, making it easy to attach to your shirt, backpack, or jacket. The detachable mounting magnet provides secure attachment options. This hands-free operation allows you to listen to music or take calls effortlessly, even while you're on the move. Despite its small size, the Tpone speaker delivers impressive sound quality. It uses neodymium audio drivers, ensuring crystal-clear calls with active noise suppression. You'll be amazed by the audio performance, making your music and calls sound great. Whether you're hiking, running, or working out, the Tpone Bluetooth speaker is a perfect companion. It allows you to enjoy your music while staying aware of your surroundings. Plus, it's easy to use even while wearing gloves, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. The Tpone speaker is designed to withstand the elements. It's rated IPX7 for dust and water resistance, so you can take it from your work accessories to your lake accessories without worry. It's a rugged and reliable companion for your outdoor adventures. The speaker offers multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB. This means you can connect it to various devices, not just your smartphone. It's versatile and compatible with different gadgets for your convenience. Inside the box, you'll find the Tpone Bluetooth speaker. Additionally, it comes with a user manual, a wristband, a Type-C charging cable, and an AUX line. Everything you need to get started with your new portable speaker. The Tpone Wearable Waterproof Bluetooth speaker is a versatile and convenient audio companion. With its compact design, premium audio quality, and hands-free operation, it's perfect for those with active lifestyles. Its dust and water resistance make it durable, and the multiple connectivity options ensure compatibility with various devices. If you're looking for a lightweight and reliable portable speaker, the Tpone speaker is definitely worth considering. That concludes our review of the Tpone Wearable Waterproof Bluetooth speaker. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews on Product Critique. Thank you for watching.